For this question, we're using multiplication, but before we multiply, it's helpful sometimes to simplify. And we can simplify stuff that's in the numerator and the denominator. So I'm going to look first at this 16 and this 24. And I know that 16 and 24 are both divisible by actually quite a few numbers, but their GCF would be 8. So I'm going to divide each of them by 8. And what that's going to leave me with is a 2 and a 3. I'm going to do similarly with this 25 and this 10. I know that those are both divisible by 5. And that will leave me with a 5 here and a 2 here. So then I can also look at my variables. So I have 3 x's on top and 2 x's on the bottom. Well, if I have 3 x's on top and 2 x's on the bottom, that's going to leave me with just 1 x on top. I can do similarly with the y's. So if I have 2 y's on top, 1 y on the bottom, I'm going to be left with 1 y on top. And then I just have this z that's kind of left over here. So I'm going to put him on top here. Now I'm going to multiply straight across. So when we multiply fractions, we multiply the tops and we multiply the bottoms. So I'm going to have 4xyz over 15, which would be option C.